Hey, what's going on, guys? It is ISP Mask, the Mask Artist. And today I wanted to show you an update video of how my digital inking's going for my project New Era G, aka Project Genki Dama. And here I have my, I guess you could say, the main star of the project. This is my one of my original characters. His name's Aresa. Yeah, he's basically a robot, and he's well. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but I'm just going to show you the basics of how you do like character head rotation. So basically, you know, like, because this is an animation project, you got to be able to, like, rotate your character's head from the let's say the neutral position where he's just looking straight at you, and then he's turning his head slightly, like 45 degrees, and then you got, like, maybe a 3/4 turn, and then you got like his side view, and then you also got his the back of the head, and then you have like a quarter of the head turn. So that's what I'm currently working on here. I'm just inking, the back of his head, and yeah, I'm just doing basically the line work of a sketch that I was working on. Uh, Pretty much these were my original pencil sketches that I scanned in a previous video. So yeah, I was doing that, like like when I went to the library. This was one of the pictures that I scanned, and yeah. Alright, this is just a quick update. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'm SP Mask, and thanks for stopping by.